You ain't gonna do that shit again.
That's wet snow. What the fuck?
Yes, but it still makes it ice. Look, it's my Russian buddy about to throw a gigantic snowball at me.
Shit.
Come on, Russian buddy, you can do better than that.
Oh.
It sticks to mine too. Look at that. That is snow. Long time since I've seen snow in America. Ah! Got it on the camera! Get the leaves. Fuck on my glove.